Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're tired of feeling rushed every morning and want to start your day on a calmer, increasingly organized note, then this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 5 life hacks that will make your morning routine faster, stress-free, and increasingly efficient. Now I tell you these 5 hacks. Hack number 1. Prep the night-surpassing clothing bag breakfast. Hack number 1 is all well-nigh prepping the night before. A little preparation, the night surpassing, can save you so much time in the morning. Choose your outfit, pack your bag, and plain prep your breakfast. If you like overnight oats or smoothies, you can set those up the night surpassing and just grab them in the morning. This simple step eliminates the guesswork and scramble when you're rushing to get out the door. Hack number 2. Streamline your skincare routine. Hack number 2. Streamline your skincare routine. Let's squatter it. A long skincare regimen in the morning can eat up a lot of time. So, instead of using multiple products, squint for skincare products that combine multiple benefits, like a moisturizer with SPF or a 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator. You'll be worldly wise to nourish your skin, protect it from the sun, and save time, all in one step. Hack number 3. Use a smart coffee maker or instant coffee hack. If you're a coffee lover, you know how important that first cup is, but making coffee can take time. A smart coffee maker lets you set it up the night surpassing so that your coffee is ready when you wake up. No increasingly waiting for it to brew. Or, if you don't have a smart coffee maker, use coffee tons or instant coffee for a fast brew. This saves you at least 5 to 10 minutes every morning. Hack number 4. Master the art of multitasking. Shower and skincare. Hack number 4 is all well-nigh multitasking. While you're in the shower, use products that can do double duty. A soul wash that moreover moisturizes your skin, or a shampoo that doubles as conditioner, can save you valuable time. You can plain wield a leave-in conditioner or serum while still in the shower. By combining these steps, you'll be worldly wise to skip some of the post-shower routines and get dressed faster. Hack number 5. Simplify your morning wardrobe. Finally, hack number 5. Simplify your wardrobe. If you find yourself standing in front of your closet for too long in the morning, consider minimizing your choices. Build a sheathing wardrobe with versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched easily. Stick to neutral colors and styles that work well together. By reducing the value of decision-making you have to do in the morning, you can get dressed in seconds and leave the house with confidence. And that's a wrap on today's life hacks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy way to level up your life. Drop a scuttlebutt unelevated if you've tried any of these hacks or have your own to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay speedy.